In the aftermath of the battle, President Abdullahi Deni went to the Bosaso hospital. He met with the wounded soldiers, their bodies bearing the scars of their bravery. He offered words of comfort and gratitude. He acknowledged their sacrifice. He recognized their valor. "We thank our brave soldiers," President Deni stated, his voice echoing the sentiments of a grateful nation. "They are the true heroes of Puntland." He spoke of unity, he spoke of courage. He called upon the people of Puntland to stand together. He appealed to the diaspora, urging them to contribute to the cause.
Waxaan rabaa halka fariin inaan uga diro qurba joogta reer Puntland ee ku howlan siday u garab istaagi lahaayeen inay soo dedejiyaan howlaha ay ku jiraan.
President Deni's words resonated deeply with the people of Puntland, igniting a powerful movement. Across the cities, a groundswell of support emerged, uniting people from all walks of life. From Garov to Cardo, from Bosaso to Galkayo, from Puntland to Balidadin, people took to the streets, their voices echoing through the air. They marched with determination, they chanted with passion. They waved the Puntland flag high, a symbol of their unity and pride. They showed their unwavering support for their soldiers, for their president, and for their beloved nation. This was not just a show of solidarity, it was a call to action. People opened their hearts, they opened their wallets, contributing generously. They donated livestock, their value a testament to the depth of their commitment and sacrifice. They lined up at hospitals, eager to give blood, to offer a piece of themselves to the cause, embodying the spirit of community and care. The arid mountains of Puntland have borne witness to a fierce struggle, a struggle that has shaped the very essence of this land. A determined enemy, ISIS, sought to establish a foothold in this resilient land, but Puntland fought back with all its might and determination. With unwavering resolve, Puntland's forces confronted the enemy head-on, showing no signs of retreat or surrender. The clashes were intense, a testament to the high stakes and the fierce determination of both sides. Victory came at a cost, but it was a victory nonetheless, a hard-fought triumph that echoed through the mountains. Over 100 ISIS militants lay dead, their reign of terror shattered against the rocks of Puntland's defiance, a clear message to all who threaten this land. This is not just another battle in a war-torn region, it is a significant chapter in the ongoing fight for peace and stability. It is a beacon of hope, a new dawn breaking over the resilient mountains of Puntland. It is a testament to the indomitable spirit of the Puntland people, who stand united in the face of adversity. The enemy, comprised mainly of foreign fighters from the Middle East and Far Asia, also Kenya, Ethiopia and Tanzania, sought to impose their will upon this land, but they were met with fierce resistance. They underestimated the courage of the Puntland people, a courage that has been forged in the fires of countless battles. They underestimated the unity that binds this nation, a unity that is the true strength of Puntland. Puntland has long stood as a bastion of self-reliance in a turbulent region, a beacon of hope amidst chaos. For over 26 years they have defended their borders with unwavering determination and bravery. They have faced down threats from all sides, never backing down. They have done so with limited external assistance, relying on their own strength, their own resilience, and their unbreakable spirit. The recent victories against ISIS underscore this spirit of self-reliance and determination. While limited airstrike support was provided, the ground was won by the Puntland security forces, showcasing their tactical prowess. It was their blood that was spilled, their sacrifices that paved the way. It was their courage that carried the day, their resolve that turned the tide. The fight is not over. The threat remains, lurking in the shadows. But the recent victories offer a glimmer of hope, a beacon of what is possible. They serve as a reminder of what can be achieved when a nation unites, when people come together with a common purpose. When a people rise to the challenge, they can overcome any obstacle. The road ahead will be long. There will be sacrifices and the journey will be arduous. But with continued unity, with unwavering courage, Puntland will prevail. This is their land, these are their homes, their heritage, and they will defend them to the very end, no matter the cost.